Here I am with my drone, and today we're gonna fly here in Changchun city. That's northeast of China, and I'll be flying this drone here in Guilin area. Guilin is the central area of Changchun, northeast China, and it's the capital city. If you have never been here, it's a city mostly known as a city for winter because there are so many people coming here to visit during the winter. Winter is extremely cold here. Let's enjoy 4K video in the central area of Changchun city. And if you didn't watch, refer to the end screen of this video. There you will find other videos in 4K quality related to Mix Mall and surrounding area. So see you there.